Welcome back to Ocean of Luxury Car, where we bring you the most exciting and luxurious rides on the road. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Nissan Armada, a full-size luxury SUV that's bigger, bolder, and more advanced than ever. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a game-changer in 2025. With a brand-new twin-turbo engine, cutting-edge technology, and a bold new design, the Armada is ready to take on the competition. Whether you crave power, comfort, or top-tier tech, this SUV delivers it all. Stick around as we break down why the 2025 Nissan Armada is set to dominate the luxury SUV market. One look at the 2025 Nissan Armada, and you'll know this SUV means business. Up front, a massive, redesigned grille gives it a more dominant presence, while sleek LED headlights add a futuristic edge. This isn't just styling, it's a statement. Sitting on 22-inch alloy wheels, the Armada stands tall with a muscular, sculpted body that commands attention from every angle. The improved aerodynamics make it smoother, quieter, and more efficient on the road. And for 2025, Nissan has introduced stunning new color options, so you can pick a shade that matches your style. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan Armada brings a major upgrade, an all-new twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the traditional V8. But don't worry, this beast still packs a serious punch. 400-plus horsepower delivers raw power, while the twin-turbo setup ensures instant acceleration with better fuel efficiency than ever before. You get more speed, more torque, and fewer trips to the pump. Nissan pairs this with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you seamless power delivery and a quieter, more refined ride. And for the adventurers, the advanced four-wheel drive system is built for off-road dominance, handling tough terrains with confidence. Whether it's city streets or rugged trails, the Armada is ready for anything. The 2025 Nissan Armada comes in four trims, each offering luxury, power, and cutting-edge tech. S trim, 55K, bold entry-level luxury with a twin-turbo V6, 12.3-inch touchscreen, and top-tier safety. SV trim, $60,000, adds leather seats, wireless charging, and ProPilot Assist for semi-autonomous driving. SL trim, $67,000, the sweet spot. Get 22-inch wheels, Bose audio, a panoramic sunroof, and a hands-free liftgate. Platinum, $75,000 plus. Fully loaded with massaging leather seats, four-wheel drive terrain control, and a head-up display. Best pick? The SL trim packs luxury and tech without breaking the bank. But if you want the ultimate experience, Platinum is the way to go. The 2025 Nissan Armada isn't just a full-size SUV, it's a statement of power, luxury, and innovation. With its bold new design, twin-turbo V6, cutting-edge tech, and first-class comfort, this beast is built to own the road. But here's the real question. Would you pick the Armada over its competitors? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more luxury car content. See you in the next one.